Hey, this is Mitzi. I was able to get some Brushy Mountain peaches from Hawks Produce in Elkin, North Carolina, and I'm going to take these peaches and make a peach pie with an oatmeal crumble. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's start cooking.
Here's the ingredients you'll need. You may want to stop at this point and write this down. I'm peeling my peaches. Some people, they do like tomatoes. They dip the peaches in hot water and it helps the skin come off. But I only have a few peaches here to do, and by the time I get the water hot, I probably already have these peeled. I start on one side and I slice it all the way around from top to bottom, pull out the pit, and just cut each half into slices. So now I'm going to add some sugar into my measuring cup. You want to do this separate and go ahead and get all the dry ingredients together. Here's the cornstarch. This helps it thicken up. You can put a little more cornstarch than I did. It's according to how thick you want your pie. Now I'm adding the cinnamon. Not everybody puts cinnamon in peach pies, but I think it's good. And when I make a fruit pie, I always add just a little bit of salt to help cut down on the sweetness. So you want to stir this up, get it mixed together really good. Now we're going to stir the dry until it all gets covered and your peaches are wet. The sugar is going to start dissolving. I'm just eyeballing this vanilla flavor, and I want to put just a little bit. And this is an unbaked pie crust. So now we're going to make the crumble to go on top. I use real butter. I'm getting the brown sugar and the butter mixed together. Now we can add our oats. And these are quick oats. We want to get this made into a good crumble. And if you can't get it really good and incorporated with a fork, do like I'm about to do and use your hands. I have seen people use butter and sugar and flour instead of oats to go on top of their pie, and that makes a really good topping too. You can use this same recipe for apples instead of peaches. It makes a really good apple pie. So just sprinkle it all over the top. It may look like it's going to be a little bit too much, but when it melts down, it ends up making a good even topping on your pie. I always put my pie on a pan. That way, if it does spill out, it won't go into the bottom of my oven. I'm baking this for 30 minutes at 425 degrees. And there you go.
So here's my peach pie. It looks really good. All I need now, vanilla ice cream or some Cool Whip.
Thank you to Hawks Produce Market and James Brickey, my sound tech. Please like, share, and comment. And as always, thank you for watching Mitzi's Market Fresh Meals.